Hey, welcome to DAP. My name is Veena Prashant. Great to see you here. Today, I'm going to give you a quick tour of DAP. We have just released DAP version 27. It's an amazing release. So many awesome features. DAP is a powerhouse. There is not much you cannot do using DAP. I use DAP for my courses. I use DAP for my freebies. I use DAP for my payment plans. I use DAP for my membership site. I do it all using DAP. It's the foundation of my entire business. I run several successful businesses using DAP as the main foundation. It doesn't matter if you're new to DAP or you plan on signing up for DAP, or you have been using DAP, be sure to watch this entire video to see the power of DAP. DAP is such a powerhouse. There's not much you cannot do using DAP. So let me take you behind the scenes to show you how you can use DAP to create and offer products, courses, memberships, membership tiers, freebies, and how you can do it all using DAP. Let's dive in. Let me first start by giving you a quick demo of the member experience in DAP. So users go to your sales page where you sell your products and services, and they decide to purchase your product. They complete the purchase and you send them to a thank you page. On that page, you let them know that you have sent them an email with their login details. So in the email, you can send them a one-click login link, so they can just click that link, and you can configure that link where, when someone clicks that link and they log in, you can redirect them wherever you want. You can redirect them to your membership dashboard. A member dashboard is the page, which is a centralized page where you can display all the products and courses and all the other things that they have purchased from you in your membership site. So you can get DAP to create a centralized member dashboard, and you can configure what you want to showcase in your dashboard. In fact, you can create multiple such dashboard pages using DAP. You can configure each page that you create in DAP to show different things to your users. For example, you can see this. This is my community site, and I have built this community site using my community plugin called Smart Forum Builder. And even if you don't use SFB, that's not a problem. The main thing I want to show you here is how you can create a beautiful centralized experience for your members of your membership site. So all I have done here is in SFB's menu, I have entered DAP's member dashboard shortcode. And this dashboard is configured just to show courses and challenges. That's what you're seeing here. And this one, you can see the product one. I have created another shortcode in DAP, and I have configured it just to show the products, right? Not the courses, but everything else. And I have also configured it to showcase products that logged in members don't have yet, right? You can see you might be interested in section. All of this you can easily do using DAP's member page builder. You can see here there's a challenge called 500 per month funnel challenge. And I have built this challenge using DAP's course builder. You can use DAP's course builder to create your online courses. You can also use it to create your challenges. That's what I have done here. And this one is showing up here because this logged in member has access to this challenge. All right, so here, let me click on this and show you how this challenge looks. You can see here, this is how it looks. It looks pretty amazing, right? I built this using DAP's course builder. All my challenges and courses I created using DAP's course builder and built-in template. This is how it's going to look by default. You don't even have to do anything. This is how it looks. And DAP's course builder is pretty amazing. It has so many options and so many features. As you can see here, you can add whatever you want here. You can add all your content here. You can also add a task list so that members can confirm if they have completed all the tasks. And you can also gamify the whole experience where when members complete each challenge, you can show them a nice message to let them know, congrats, you have completed this. Here's what's next. So you can gamify the whole experience and increase engagement. So all of this is built into DAP. You can easily do this using DAP's course builder, challenge builder, and product builder. You can create all kinds of products, courses, memberships, everything using DAP. So this is DAP's documentation page. What I would recommend is that take this free course. We have a free course right here, and it is a really simple course. It has 5 lessons in it. I created this a few months ago, but you're going to find it really valuable, especially if you're struggling with your online business or you're new to online business, you're going to find this really helpful. Day 1 is all about some of the common mistakes a lot of membership site owners make. So be sure to watch all of these lessons. These are not very long lessons and only 5 lessons, and you can complete it, in like 2 hours or less. So that's one thing. The other thing is here under products and membership, you're going to find membership model. So here you can see there are 5 key components of any product, membership, online course, whatever it is that you want to offer from your membership site, whatever it is that you want to productize. there are 5 key components. First thing is like whatever product you want to create, you have to be clear about what's the purpose of the product, right? What problem is it going to solve? Whose problem is it going to solve? And why you are the right person to solve that problem. You have to be clear about those things because you're going to need it, right? Doesn't matter if you're creating an opt-in page or sales page, you need to be able to confidently answer those questions. So that is step one for any successful product, right? So you need to know the answer to these questions. The second thing is, what are they going to get? When someone signs up for this product or buys your product, what are they going to get? That's your content. You can have one or more pieces of resources under each product. The next thing is it a free product or a paid product? Your billing model, right? Is it going to be free, or if it's going to be paid, is it going to be subscription, payment plan, free trial, paid trial? So all of these questions you need to answer about the product, like how are you going to charge for it? Or is it going to be free? The next thing is access. When someone signs up for this product, are they going to get lifetime access to it? Are they going to get limited time access to it? If it's limited time, then how long? The next thing is delivery. How are you going to deliver this product? Are you going to give people instant access to it? Are you going to give them access to it? Are you going to drip it out, where some content is available right away, some content will be available the next day? Are you going to drip it out, or are you going to drip it out on a specific date? So there are several ways you can drip content using DAP. So first thing is you have to be clear about your product. You have to plan out your product so that building part is actually really easy. Once you know the answers to these questions, setting it up in DAP is super simple. Everything is pretty much a product in DAP. We have a product builder that you can use to build your freebies, your paid products, your memberships. We also have a course builder, which you can use to build your challenges and online courses. But essentially, everything is a product. So this is the backend of DAP. When you enter for the first time, it's going to show you this message, create your first product, and you can click on it to get started. You can also go here to the products menu to create your products, courses, memberships, all of that you can do here. All right, so let's click on this. And here you can customize your brand style, but you can always update it right here. You can see setup, global styles. You can update it here. All right, so save and next. Now here, you can create your member-facing pages. This is something you just have to do once. Now, when you run a membership site, you're going to need some member-facing pages, such as a login page, so your members can log in and access the content that you have behind the paywall, right? So your product, services, whatever it is that you sell from your membership site using DAP, you can allow them access to it. First, they'll have to log in, right? And then when they log in, you can then send them to a membership dashboard where they will find all the products, all the courses, everything that they have signed up for or purchased from you, and they can access it from there. So all of this is made possible by DAP. DAP has an amazing member page builder, which will allow you to create all kinds of member-facing pages for your membership site. So you can create a login page. You can create a membership dashboard page where it will show a product box for each one of the products that you offer from your membership site that the logged-in member has access to. And also the ones that they don't yet have access, you can also showcase those products and courses in your membership dashboard. So let's go ahead and create it, and you can always update all of these pages in DAP Member Page Builder. Right here, you will find all the pages DAP creates for you. This is done. That's it. All right. All these pages are ready for you. So now if you go to the DAP member pages, you can see all the pages DAP created is here. So let's go back here and complete the DAP setup. Next. All right, that's it. All right, so all these pages are ready. And now you can create your product, memberships, courses, group memberships, whatever you want to offer from your site, you can create it here. So even if you want to offer an online challenge, you can use DAP's Course Builder to create your online challenge. That's what I do. And DAP's Course Builder is pretty amazing. You can use it for courses and also use it for your online challenges. All right, so let's say that you want to offer a freebie from your site. Let's start with a simple thing, right? So say that you want to offer a lead magnet from your site. And so you want to create a product in DAP. You want to productize your lead magnet, and then you want to offer it from your site. So let's say that you already have a PDF report and you want to offer it from your membership site using DAP, right? So let's go ahead and create a lead magnet product. So let's create your product. Are you looking to create a free or a paid product? Let's say this is a lead magnet. It's a free product. So I'm going to say create from scratch. You can use DAP's AI option also. If you want to offer a PDF report, you want to use DAP's AI builder to create your PDF report, you can do that. Let's go ahead and create from scratch. Give it any name you want. Save it. So this is the DAP product builder. And you can see here name and description. You can give it a name, product description, upload an image for your product. And this is going to be useful in the member dashboard where DAP is going to display the product image, product box, and an image for each one of your products. Billing and access. So this is where you can let DAP know, is it going to be a free product or a paid product? So let's say we are creating a lead magnet here. So you're going to leave it as free, allow free sign up, yes. Is it going to be limited time or lifetime access, right? So access is one of the things you got to consider for each one of your products. So if it's lifetime, you can leave it as forever. If it's limited time, set this to fixed. All right, so the next step is assign and protect content section. So here is where you can protect your content. What is going to be the content that your users are going to get when they purchase or sign up for this product? What are they going to get? That's the part you're going to do here. So if they're going to get, for example, a PDF report, you can say click to protect content. And here you can say other resources because it's not WordPress content. You can select add other resources and you can upload your PDF, right? Or if you have already uploaded, you have a URL for your PDF, you can enter that here, or you can upload your PDF here. And it will be protected by DAP, which means only those that have signed up will be able to access it. If you have other content that's going to be part of this product, you can simply select the content that you're going to give them access to as part of this product. You can have one or more pieces of content. So let's say it's a PDF report. I'm going to upload a PDF here. All right. So I have done that. Now you can add multiple pieces of content to the same product. You can give users access to more than one thing as part of the product. That's up to you. Now, there are a couple of things you can do when it comes to your products. So say that when someone signs up for one thing, you want to give them access to other things, which you have already created as a product. So say that you want to offer bonuses and you have already created that product or that course or that challenge in DAP, and you want to give them free access to it when they sign up for something else. You can do that under this tab, other products and courses. So here you can select whatever else you want to give them access to when they sign up for this product. So here, let's say this is all they're going to get. So what's the next thing? We have done billing, we have done access, we have done content. The next step is delivery. How is it going to be delivered to them? Are you going to give them instant access to it, or are you going to give them dripped out access to it? If it's instant, in this case, this is just a freebie. They're signing up, they should get instant access to it right away. So you can just leave the default settings, right? Instant is day one is current date, which is the day they sign up, but say that you are creating a membership and you are going to create content every few days and you want to drip it out. You don't want everyone to just sign up and get access to everything, right? In that case, you can use the drip setting whenever you are creating or adding a piece of content at content level, at resource level. You can say this resource will be available on, say, day 5, which means when a member reaches day 5 of their membership, that's when they will be eligible for it. And date-based dripping is when you can say that you're offering an online challenge. And in that case, you can use date-based dripping. You can say this content will be available starting this date. They won't be able to get to it until that date. All right. Once you have done that, the next step is emails. Another awesome feature we have in DAP now, which is one-click smart login. What this means is that you can now send a one-click login link. Users don't have to enter their email and password to log in. If you just send this in the email, DAP will send a one-click login link. When they log in, they will be redirected to your post-login redirect that you can set in DAP setup config page, global settings. But if you want to redirect them to a specific page when someone logs into the product, say that you want to directly send them to the PDF URL or something else, right? Some other page where they can access this product, you can set that too. You can use this merge tag with the redirect, and here you can enter the redirect URL. All right, so another option is email template. You can see here, DAP comes with built-in autoresponder, built-in broadcast, built-in ability to send all the emails. You can see you can send not just plain text emails, but you can use one of our templates to send a beautiful looking email to your subscribers, to your members. All right, you can upload an image here. This is how it's going to look. You can check it out and see how each one of these emails are going to look, and whichever template you like, you can use these templates. All right, looks amazing. All right, moving on to the rules tab. So here is where you can let DAP know what you want DAP to do when someone is logging in, which is, you have a login form, login page that you created using DAP's page builder, member page builder, right? We have a login page. When someone logs in, DAP knows who they are. So DAP will show them the right products in the membership dashboard, which is also something that DAP helps you create when you set up DAP, or you can create it here. So membership dashboard is where you can display all the product boxes, and there will be an access content button under each product box that they can click on to get to the actual product or access the product. So there are two settings here. Where do you want them to go as soon as they log in? Always send them to the membership dashboard. That's what I do, and that's what we recommend. Now, when they click on the product box, when they click on the access content under the product box, where do you want them to access that product's content? So this is different for each product, right? So in this case, this is a PDF report. I want them to be able to download the PDF or access the PDF when they click the access content for this product. So I always want them to go to the membership dashboard, but in the dashboard, I want them to be able to access this PDF. So you can right click it, grab the link, copy link, right? That's the link of this PDF. And, or if you already know where to send them, just enter that URL. So the next step is what? If you have a free product, you have created your resource that you're going to offer, then you have created the product, you have set up the content, you have set up billing, you have set up access, you have set up delivery, all those things. You have set up the rules to say where you're going to send them when they log in and how they can access it. Everything is set up, right? The next thing is, how are you going to make it available to those that are signing up? DAP also comes with an opt-in page builder. You don't have to use it. It comes with an AI-powered page builder. You can use it if you want to quickly create an opt-in page using DAP, and then you can update it as needed. You can definitely do that, but you're going to need our AI add-on to use this option. And it's free with DAP Elite membership, or you can sign up for it if you want to use DAP to create your opt-in page. Otherwise, just create it directly in WordPress. All right, that's it. The product is ready. All right, this is how you can connect the dots and get DAP to deliver the product. You can productize whatever it is that you want to offer and get DAP to deliver it. So same way you can offer any digital product, paid or free. So all you have to do if it's a paid product is in the billing and access section, make it paid. And then you can set up one-time fee, subscription. And if it's one-time fee, then how much you want to charge for it. Say it's a $7 product, set the amount here. If it's a subscription, then you can change the settings here. If you want to convert this into a membership, you can do that. So it's all here. It's all the same concept. All right. So the other thing I want to show you now is like how you can set up your online courses. So if you want to create an online course, you can click on DAP products, courses, click to create. It will bring you here, select course here. If it's a paid course, select paid, otherwise free. You can select the colors, all this you can change later. Let's say we are going to use AI to do this. All right. So you can go ahead and use AI. You can always update it later, just easier to get started. But even if you don't use AI, it doesn't matter. It's going to take you to the same course builder once your course is ready. So even if you use AI, it's going to take you to the course builder so you can update it. And if not, it's going to take you to the course builder so you can build it. All right. It's the same thing. So let's go ahead and use AI. And let me just show you how this works. So let's say the name of the course, let's say it's list building. So it's going to give you some ideas for title, the art of list building. Let's select this one, enter goal. I'm going to select this, enter this. Course structure, are you going to have modules and lessons or just lessons? You can do that. And let's say we're going to have 6 lessons in this course. You can do that. Is it a free course or a paid course? Let's say it's a paid course. Let's say it's $100 and forever access and next. And you can add more to it, add more modules, add more lessons. Modules are like chapters and lessons are going to be the lessons under that chapter, under that module, and create the course. Are you ready? Yes. Let's go ahead and create it. And all of this you can update. You can update the title, you can update the description, you can update the content. So your outline is this. So now you can add lesson content. It has created these lessons for you. These lessons don't have any content yet. You can click on add lesson content. Again, it's going to use AI to create the lesson content for you. And what your product is going to do or what your course is going to do and what problem will it solve and all those questions. And then it becomes really easy. If it's a free product, create an opt-in page. If it's a paid product, create a sales page. So let's go ahead and complete this, edit my course. All right, you can upload an image for your course. Let's do that. Next, here course structure, it has already set that up, right? It's going to be modules and lessons, and users have to complete the previous lesson to go to the next lesson. You can set up all that here. I'm going to skip this. Billing and access, this is a paid product, $100. Course template, this is how it's going to look. Course template is something that will control the look and feel of your course layout. You can update it here. This is the basic layout, but you can, make changes to it. Like, for example, if you want to increase the sidebar width, right? Make it wider. You can do that. Content width. You can do that. There is a global customizer. You can enable it to set up your global style. And this way, you don't have to keep updating it. Like if you want to have standard size and font family and all that for your text element, heading elements, and all that stuff. You can do that here. Other thing you can do is you can enable the chat option. You can see here, there is a chat option here. You can enable the chat option so users can chat with you, one-on-one private chat. And you can also add a notes section so users can take notes, so you can enable the notes section. So these are private notes and you won't be able to see it as an admin, but these are for users to take lesson level notes, right? You can customize it and all that. So we use the AI to create 2 modules for us, right? Each module has 3 lessons in it. You can add more modules if you want. You can add as many lessons as you want under each module. Add content is where you will add lesson content. And if you have, because we already have some content here, you can go ahead and update it. Let's say we added this lesson. You can see this is how it looks. It looks pretty awesome, right? By default, this is how it looks. So let's say you want to add a video here, right? So you can select this, images, videos, anything you want, you can add. This is a YouTube video. That's the default, so you can change it to an embed code, embed video link, whatever you want, you can add here. If your video player comes with a short code, then you can use this option, enter a short code element right here, for example, and you can add short codes here, so that's up to you, what type of video you want to insert here. So you can use short code for your video player. You can add YouTube video, you can add embed code from Vimeo, Vistia, whatever you use, you can do that here. All right, so let's save it. Let me show you the front end now. You can see here, looks pretty awesome, right? This is how it looks. And when users click on mark as complete, they will be taken to the next lesson. When they click on mark as complete, they will be taken to the next lesson. I don't have any content for the next lesson. So, this is how you can build out your online course in DAP. All right, this is a gamification tab. Now, this will only work if you have our Game of Points plugin, which is again free with DAP Elite license. There are so many different gamification options. I'm not going to go over the details, but you can definitely add like a nice looking animation. So when users complete and add whatever personalized message you want here, after they complete each lesson, it's going to show them that. All right, let me show you this in the front end and show you how it works. So let's say users are on lesson number 1, right? I have simply added a gamification option here. Let's say they click on mark as complete. You can see here, all I did was enable that gamification option, and it is personalized message with the name, and it shows them that message. So you can send lesson specific emails. You can show them lesson specific content. There are so many options here. Custom tasks, you can add emails and all that. And also one more thing I forgot to tell you is like if you want to add task list, you have a task list builder right here. If you want to let users know that you need to complete all of these steps before you go to the next lesson, you can add a task list, and it will be a checkbox based list. Users will have to check the box to say they have completed it, so you can say watch the video, whatever you want. You can add as many tasks as you want them to complete. It's just a checklist of task items. And you can customize all of these, the colors, the text, everything, right? So they can check this, and next time they come back here, DAP will remember it. And DAP will know that they have completed these lessons. That's it for now. I hope this was helpful. As you can see, it's really easy to get started with DAP. It's really easy to create products, memberships, courses, whatever it is that you want. Now, this is not a full-fledged documentation type of video. We have different documentation where you can find more details, step-by-step details as to how to create a course or product or membership tiers, all of that stuff. We have all of that in our documentation. And if you run into any issues, we are here to help. You can always open a support ticket. That's it for now. If you don't have DAP yet, don't have to hesitate because there's not much you cannot do using DAP. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so already. This way you'll be the first to know when I publish new videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.